This is our first hike of the season, and it's February 23rd because we're finally free of ash in the air. And here we are meeting Connie and Jim at the top. Actually looking at right here.
That's the old airport.
That's the old airport, and all this.
Where that dust is coming up,
Yeah.
just over that hill is where the old airport used to be.
Yeah.
And that's all the new flow. That's coming from what they call trance.
800 degrees. They've actually.
Yeah, it is. He said it was 430 centigrade.
Yeah. A really nice garden. For lack of rain, he actually has stuff growing in here.
Symbols on that they don't take up the symbol. Connecticut.
Come on, Keith. You be the taste tester.
No, tasting.
Oh, they're juicy.
Oh, lovely and juicy. Oh! Is it bitter? Now you know why there's still others.
No idea, huh?
No idea whatsoever. I'll have to look in my book when I get back.
What is it, Eileen?
Calabash.
Calabash.
You can make bowls and eat all that.
No, the calabash is.
Now we're entering the desert. Real deserty. Coming to a much higher, I think we're going all the way to the top. Come on up! And this is where we came from. And beyond, way beyond that. This is our view. On the top of Desert Mountain here. Still going up. Okay.
That rock just goes straight like that.
It's not going to give way, is it? Well, it could do. I'd like to teach the world to sing perfect harmony.